Hi students, once again welcome back to the world of English. And in today's session, we are going to discuss and know an interesting character. Okay, that's a little Bobby, a mischievous boy. Okay, before we get into the lesson, let's know the characters that are present in this lesson. Okay, we have little Bobby's mother, and the pet of little Bobby, that is dog. Okay, dear students, before we get into the lesson, let's have a gist of the story. Okay, little Bobby was a mischievous boy. He demanded his mother for a bike for his birthday. He was a troublemaker and had got into trouble at school and even at home. Bobby's mother crossed whether he thought he deserved a bike for his birthday. As she wanted him to reflect on his behavior over last year, she advised him to write a letter to God to send for the bike. In the first letter, he wrote that he had been a good boy and deserved bike. In the second letter, he called God his friend and wrote the same. In the third letter, he wrote he had been okay. He knew that they were all lies. He could not send the letter. He told them and wrote the fourth letter, regretting his behavior and assuring that he would be a good soul if he sends a bike. He knew he would not get the bike for that letter. So, he went downstairs and told his mother he wanted to go to the church. His mother thought that he would realize his mischief and repent over it. He went to the church and bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of Jesus Christ. He came to his room and wrote a letter to the God demanding a bike, stating that he had kidnapped the God's mother and to see her he had to send the bike. Okay, do you understand? Dear students, now let's move to the textual part of our lesson. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. So dear students, the little boy is named as Little Bobby. Okay, as his birthday was coming closer, so what he does, he goes to his mother who was in the kitchen making dinner. He goes to his mother and he thought that was the best chance to ask his mother whatever he wanted. Okay, Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. It's clear, right? So, little Bobby goes to his mother who was actually making dinner in the kitchen. He goes to his mother and says, Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Whose birthday? Little Bobby's birthday. And little Bobby was actually a mischievous boy, a troublemaker. Even in the school and at home, he got into trouble and he received kind of punishment too. Okay, so now Bobby's mother says, okay, you think if you really deserve a bike for your birthday, Mummy says to him. Okay, little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Okay, so when mother says, do you really deserve a bike for your birthday? And little Bobby says, of course. Okay, of course he thinks he deserves a bike for his birthday. And his mother says, Bobby's mother says, you go to your room and just reflect on your behavior over the last year and write a letter to God why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Okay, simple. His mother asks him to go to his room to think about his behavior and write a letter to God why he deserves a bike for his birthday. Okay? Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. So when his mother asks little Bobby to write a letter to God, this little Bobby goes to his room, and along with him his pet dog named Jessie also follows him. Okay, and he thinks it over what he has to write. Okay, Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God, and his pet dog, that is Jessie, just sits beside little Bobby and watches what Bobby is doing. Letter 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. So what does he write in the first letter? And he addresses God. Dear God, he says, he has been a good boy throughout of this year and he deserves a bike for his birthday. And he also mentions the color of the bike. He says, I want the red bike. And he writes, your friend Bobby. Okay, that is the first letter. Bobby knew that this wasn't true. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. So after writing the first letter, what did Bobby do? And Bobby knew that he was not really, truly a good boy that year. So what he does, he just tears up the letter and he starts again writing the letter. So next he is going to write the second letter. Let us see what he is going to write in the second letter. Letter 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Your friend Bobby. So what does the letter 2 contain? It contains, Bobby is addressing God as dear God, and he says that he is a friend of God, and he says he has been a good boy last year or the previous year, and he says that he deserves a red bike for his birthday. Okay? Bobby knew that this wasn't true either, so he tore up the letter and started again. So even the second letter that Bobby wrote, he knew that that was not true. So what he did, he tore up the letter again and he started writing the third letter. Okay? Letter 3. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Bobby. Okay, now see the variation from your letter 1, letter 2 to the letter 3. Here he says, first two letters he says he had been a good boy, and in third letter he says he had been an okay boy, and he says he still deserves a bike for his birthday. Okay. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. Okay. So Bobby knew that he could not send even the third letter. So what he did, he tore up the third letter too and he went for the fourth letter. Okay. Letter 4. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I'm very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please. Thank you, Bobby. So, do you find any difference from the letters that he had written previously to the present one? Yes. First two letters he says he had been a good boy, and in third letter he says he had been okay boy, and in third letter he says he feels sorry for his mischievous behavior and he says he would be a good boy if he sends a bike for his birthday. Do you understand? Bobby knew even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. Now, Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to the church. Okay, it's clear, right? So, after writing the fourth letter, also, Bobby was not convinced. He thought to himself, even if it was true, if it is true, this letter is not going to bring him bike. So, what he does, he was so upset that he goes downstairs and he tells his mother that he wanted to go to the church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked, as Bobby looked very sad. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Okay, it's clear, right? When Bobby says that he wanted to go to the church and he looked upset, right? So when Bobby's mother saw him and heard that Bobby wanted to go to the church, and Bobby's mother thought, okay, that her plan had worked. Her plan had worked and he would change from his mischievous behavior. Okay? Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. He looked around to see if anyone was there. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. So dear students, where is Bobby going? Bobby was going to the church. Okay, once he reaches the church, he goes inside near to the altar and he sees if anyone was around him or not. Okay, and he bends down and picked up a small statue of Mary, Mother of God. He took the statue of Mother Mary. Okay. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house and up to his room. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and a pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Okay, do you understand now? Once he reached the church, he goes to the altar, he takes up the statue of Mother Mary. Now what is he doing? He is hiding it under his shirt. So what do you understand? He is stealing the statue of Mother Mary from the church. Okay, and immediately he runs to the house. He goes to his room and he shuts the door. He takes a piece of paper and he starts writing a letter to God. Now let's see what is the fifth letter. Okay, letter 5. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike. Bobby. Okay, now see the variation from your letter 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5. Okay, here he is writing, God, I have kidnapped your mother. Okay, I have kidnapped your mother. If you want to see her again, send me the bike. Okay, he is actually, what is he doing? He is actually blackmailing God. Okay, because he says, I have kidnapped your mother. If you give me the bike, I would give your mother back. Otherwise, you won't see her again. Okay, do you understand? Dear students, I believe you have understood, right? See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.